Exploring hydrogen fuel cell drones. The future of aviation is taking shape, hovering above us in the form of hydrogen fuel cell drones. Unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, have been evolving rapidly, revolutionizing various industries, including agriculture, environmental monitoring, logistics, and public safety. In the pursuit of cleaner, more efficient, and sustainable aviation technologies, hydrogen fuel cell drones have emerged as a promising solution. This chapter explores the world of hydrogen fuel cell drones, delving into their benefits, applications, and the potential they hold for a greener future. Before delving into hydrogen fuel cell drones, it's essential to understand how hydrogen fuel cells work. A hydrogen fuel cell generates electricity through a chemical reaction between hydrogen and oxygen. This reaction produces electricity, water, and heat as byproducts, making it an incredibly clean and eco-friendly power source. Hydrogen gas is stored in a tank and supplied to the anode of the fuel cell, while oxygen from the surrounding air is introduced at the cathode. These two elements react with the help of a catalyst to produce electrical energy that powers an electric motor. This electricity, in turn, drives the drone's propellers, allowing it to fly. Extended flight time, quick refueling, reduced environmental impact. Hydrogen fuel cell drones offer significantly longer flight times compared to their battery-powered counterparts. Battery-operated drones typically provide flight durations ranging from 20 minutes to a few hours, whereas hydrogen fuel cell drones can stay airborne for several hours or even days, depending on the size of the hydrogen tank and the efficiency of the fuel cell. Hydrogen refueling is faster and more convenient than recharging batteries. Refilling the hydrogen tank takes minutes, whereas recharging a battery may take hours. This is especially beneficial for applications that require uninterrupted, long-duration flights. Hydrogen is a clean energy source with zero emissions other than water vapor. This makes hydrogen fuel cell drones an environmentally friendly choice, reducing the carbon footprint of aerial operations, a critical aspect in a world focused on mitigating climate change. Agriculture, environmental monitoring. Hydrogen fuel cell drones are becoming increasingly popular in agriculture. They are used for tasks such as crop monitoring, pesticide spraying, and precision agriculture. Their extended flight times allow for large-scale field coverage in a single flight, making them highly efficient tools for modern farming. Hydrogen fuel cell drones are invaluable for environmental research as they can survey remote areas, collect data on wildlife, monitor forest health, and even study weather patterns for disaster management. Their extended flight durations make them perfect for long-duration scientific missions. The infrastructure sector benefits from hydrogen fuel cell drones in inspections of bridges, pipelines, and power lines. These drones can access hard-to-reach areas, reducing inspection costs and enhancing safety. In search and rescue operations, time is often of the essence. Hydrogen fuel cell drones provide extended aerial support, enabling quicker response times and improving the chances of finding missing persons in large, remote areas.